Hi, good evening, all of you. Welcome to our channel Secret Method. So today we will learn how to make brand channel in a YouTube. So what is the difference between brand channel and user channel in YouTube? Nobody tell you, but I will explain you how to make a brand channel, and even I will tell you what is the difference between user channel and brand channel later on. So let's make on screen. Just visit on Google, and here we go. Create Gmail account. I'm just you know uh, creating a dummy account, but for you you have to mention all your detail here. All you know how to make a Gmail account. Mm, just here. Next, you can choose your date of birth. I'm just making a dummy account, that's why I'm putting anything. Gender would be you, maybe you male or female as your gender, you can choose here and go this next. And Gmail is giving you some option here. Password, just choose a password. It would be strong. Recovery mail, you have to mention your recovery mail. I'm just making a dummy account, that's why I'm skipping this. Even a phone number you have to mention here, but I'm making a dummy, that's why I'm skipping this. So here is my mail ID on a Gmail. Made it. So now agreed. Here is. So after making a mail, you have to come on a YouTube. When you visit it on a YouTube, here is an icon on the right side. Click here and create a channel. Already YouTube some suggesting you a name and all. Just we create this. So now this is not our channel, this is a user channel. So now what we have to do, we have to make a professional channel on YouTube. How we'll make, I'll explain you again. Again you come to there an icon right side, click there and go to setting. Where is setting? Here. You come there on a setting, right? Click there in settings. Now you will get three options. First, channel status and feature. I'll explain you later what is this. Create a new channel, view advanced settings. So now we have to create a channel. You have to go this option, middle one, right? Create a new channel. So we will click here, create a new channel. Now YouTube asking you add a name, channel name. So I'm just making a dummy channel. I'm in any name. How to choose name, how to all, I will explain you all after making this channel. Just giving you some time on. So now this channel doesn't exist, channel already made it. Okay, so now we have two account on YouTube. Which one? First one is here, two account. This is my user ID, this is my channel, this is a brand channel, second one. Okay, so how do you know that this is a brand channel, right? How you come to know this is a brand channel? Just visit on Google and write here my brand account on YouTube. Here, this is a link. This is a link. You can visit this link also. Scroll down. This is sign into brand channel. Here is. So now we have brand channel in a YouTube. You can show here on when I go to this link, make my account on google.com/brand account. This is the link, right? Thanks a lot.